Swiftbrief is a tool that lets you build content roadmaps and write SEO-optimized content in less than 10 minutes. Let's dive in and build a roadmap from scratch, take that all the way into content production. We're on the Swiftbrief brand. We'll start with adding a new topic. Now, this is the keyword we want to build authority around. So we'll start with keyword research as a seed topic. And now we're asking the system to provide us with a list of page suggestions that would revolve around keyword research as the parent seed. So Swiftbrief came back with 31 related keywords that revolve around keyword research as the seed topic. Each keyword represents a page. Each page is automatically given a page type that can be adjusted. You can also view volume and difficulty for each keyword. For advanced users, you can access deeper data points for each keyword. So these are all signals that allow you to better prioritize your content pipeline, including in there the average DR across the top 10, lowest DR in the top 10, what that traffic looks like, and so on and so forth. Now we'll go back to our beginner review, and we'll start to publish our first set of pages. First one here is best tool for keyword research. We'll create that page. We have 3 different options. If you're customizing the keywords that will appear on that page and will be mapped against the SERP results, then page keyword selection is the drop-off. Otherwise, the system will automate, and that is based off of relevance score and diving into top performers on SERPs, taking you into content outline. So this is for manual content writing. It will provide you everything that's needed A to Z on the page, from internal linking to image assets, and of course, heading structure. And then for someone looking for an end-to-end solution with AI content that's optimized, ready for publishing, you can click on page content completion. That's where we will go. And we also want to create a guide blog around competitive keyword analysis. Swiftbrief is now done, so we'll open those up. And we're taking to our ready to publish content. In this case, our roundup, or in the other case, our guide. Now we can also go back into our editor, where we'll see our outline. We have our research assistant. In case we have any questions around the topic, we have our SERP competitors. We can go in and view the breakdown of their headings. We can view our keywords that were used on that page, down to the cluster relevance and average frequency across top 10. And of course, we can edit via AI. And once we're happy with what we see, we go to publish, connect to our site, and it goes live.